Let's launch the Plustek Image Express software. Double-click the icon on your desktop to open the program. Place the document you want to scan on scanner. Make sure it's aligned properly. In the Plustek Image Express software, choose Custom Scan Area to preview your image and modify scan area before click the Scan button to start scanning your image. There's two ways to rotate your image to desired angle. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click the Apply button. Click Dual View to see the picture before and after the modification. No need to worry about black dots on your picture. This function will remove them for you. Plustek Image Express offers various effects to enhance your image. Click on the Effects tab to explore the options. Select an effect and apply it to your image if you need. Choose the Advanced function to adjust contrast, brightness, gamma, and more for additional color adjustments if needed. After making all the desired edits, it's time to save your image. Click the Save button, choose the format and location, and save your file. Happy editing! You've successfully edited an image using Plustek Image Express. For more tips and tutorials, visit our website at www.plustek.com.